Welcome to DaFamilyWEB. This is Juice. So today I have HEXBUG Fire Ant. So here it looks like it's blue. I don't know why. But it has 6 legs. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And see, look, fire ants. And it looks pretty cool. And I think that's the remote control over there. It's pretty cool. And there's HEXBUG. Oh, they have remote control. See, look, remote control. And let's see. Brace your friend's control to at a time. So there it says it. Okay, there's nothing else to say for this on this box. Got it. Wait. Yeah, there, I got it. So, get it? Yeah. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. There's this electricity over there. And then I'm gonna take out the remote control. Got it. Two. How do we make this thing work? That's tentacles. How do you mess with it? I found a way because something was blocking it, so I pulled the other one. It was supposed to be right there. Pretty cool. So over here forward, and then this backwards, and then left, right, and then channel 1 and channel 2 is over there, and here are the controls. So I'm gonna play some. Cool. What's going on? It's pretty cool. It's been drowning around. I'm going crazy right now. And it has a flashing light. You see that? It's pretty cool. What? How do you switch the power off? But I'm just gonna mess with it. Ah! Look, when you press the right one, look. Pretty cool. Go backwards. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this video, put a big fat thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you next time. DaFamilyWEB. This is Juice. Bye.